Windows 11 has ushered in an era of new features and improvements, making it a great operating system choice. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, Windows 10, with a focus on simplicity, ease of use, and flexibility. The redesigned interface is a testament to this focus, making navigation smoother and more intuitive. The new operating system isn't just about aesthetics, it's also packed with productivity and social features. Whether you're working or connecting with friends, Windows 11 has got you covered. Plus, it's got updates to security and accessibility, ensuring that your experience is not just easy, but safe too. So what makes Windows 11 so great? Well, it boasts a new center taskbar, a redesigned start menu, a redesigned action center, and smooth animations. These features make the user experience more streamlined and enjoyable. Windows 11 also introduces new widgets that deliver a personalized feed of news, weather, traffic, sports, and stock market data. These widgets are powered by AI for customization and Edge for rendering. It's like having a personal assistant right on your desktop. But that's not all. Windows 11 also offers improved performance and security with multiple layers of protection to help keep your apps, information, and privacy secure. It's an operating system that's designed not just to perform, but to protect. In conclusion, Windows 11 is a great operating system that offers many new features and improvements. It's designed to be user-friendly, productive, and secure. If your PC meets the system requirements, it's definitely worth considering an upgrade. So, are you ready to explore Windows 11?